Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing the installation of the Haas PBA10 button assembly replacement kit onto the 1200 series electric water cooler. These following instructions remain same across all 1200 series models. In the kit, you will find the installation drawing, as well as the push button assembly carefully protected inside the pillow film. Required tools will include a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Shut off the electrical power to the outlet before servicing the unit. Ensure that the lights underneath the bowl, as well as the backlit display and the bottle filler light, are off. This does not apply on the 1201S or the 1202S models that lack a bottle filler and/or a filter. You will have to ensure the power is off manually on these units. You can now remove the lower bowl support cover by removing the 4 screws holding it in place. There is 1 screw located in each corner. Carefully set these aside for later for reinstallation. A blue wire and a red wire run from the back of the cooler to the button assembly. Carefully disconnect them from the piggyback terminals located on the micro switch. The button assembly is held in the bowl with a series of snap latches located along the top and the bottom of the button. Carefully disengage these latches, working from one end to the other, while working the button assembly out of the front of the bowl. Removing the center of the button by removing the 2 screws, one located on each side, may make this process easier. Once the button assembly has been removed, you may now install the replacement. Bring the red and blue wires that you previously had disconnected through the opening of the front of the bowl and reconnect them to the right-hand side of the micro switch. Blue wire to blue wire and red wire to red wire. Firmly installing the female spade terminal onto the male terminal connection. Hold the micro switch firmly while performing this action to avoid damaging the plastic button. Press the new button assembly into its slot on the front of the bowl, ensuring that all snap latches properly engage. At this point, you will begin reassembly of the cooler by replacing the lower bowl support cover and the 4 screws that keep it in place. Upon returning power to the unit, verify that the LED lights underneath the fountain bowl are lit up, as well as the backlit display and bottle filler light if applicable. Lastly, test the new button by depressing the button and ensuring that the water is activated at the bubbler head. At this point, you have successfully installed the new PBA10 button assembly. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-766-5612.